This is a brand new 2015 Dodge Dart. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, the Uconnect infotainment system, a multi-link rear suspension, a limited slip differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, front and rear reading lights, external temperature display, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, and an auxiliary power outlet. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.